What if every student could practice real placement interviews with AI and get personalized feedback instantly? This platform helps training and placement officers track performance, while students continuously improve through real interview simulations. Hi, I am Lucy, and I help candidates to prepare for the right opportunities in different scenarios. I can assess as an interviewer in a mock interview, help you practice coding challenges with the right concepts, and practice group discussions in first of its kind AI personality discussion. Everything starts with building an interview. Let's create one for an AI engineer role. Set a deadline, select the academic year, and add a job description aligned with real placement requirements. Next, we configure interview rounds like coding challenges based on programming languages and DSA, and mock interviews technical, behavioral, or professional. Once everything is set, the platform uses AI to process the interview and instantly extracts the required skills, responsibilities, and qualifications. With one click, the interview is published to students. Managing students is the easiest. Upload bulk list through an Excel file and invite them to onboard. Student receives an email and starts their improvement journey seamlessly. Departments can also be created and managed easily, helping organize students across different programs. This is the Training and Placement Officer dashboard. Here you can monitor all live and completed interviews across students. The 3D campus view shows overall student performance and average scores in real time. The skill view breaks down progress across programming languages, roles, technologies, and soft skills. And the student view gives a detailed, filterable breakdown so you can track performance in specific skills like Python and even export the data for deeper analysis. Now, let me show you the app for the students. Everything here is designed for continuous improvement. Students receive interview notifications with deadlines and role details and can start their interview directly from the dashboard. Coding challenges include problem descriptions, examples, and even hints to guide them. Mock interviews are powered by me, an AI interviewer that adapts dynamically to each response, creating a realistic interview experience. Hello, I'm Lucy, your AI interviewer for today's practice session, focused on DevOps engineer and site reliability engineer roles. Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to practice with me today. This will help you prepare for real interviews in these exciting fields. To get us started, could you please introduce yourself and give me an overview of your background and experience?
Hi Lucy, I'm Gaurav, and I'll be talking about my experience in product management and how I'm inclined towards this role that I am interviewing for.
Feedback on your response. I notice there might be some confusion here. You mentioned product management experience, but we're focusing on DevOps engineer and site reliability engineer roles today. Also, it sounds like there may have been an audio issue. For these technical roles, I'd love to hear more about your hands-on experience with infrastructure, automation, monitoring, or system reliability rather than product management. Follow-up question. Could you walk me through a specific project from your resume where you worked with infrastructure automation, CI/CD pipelines, monitoring systems, or any other technical work that's relevant to DevOps or SRE roles?
Welcome, everyone, to our discussion today. We're diving into a really important and relevant topic. Is social media doing more harm than good to society? We'll have 3 rounds where each participant can share their perspective. Let's hear from everyone on this significant issue.
I also feel that social media is doing more harm in the society because the people who are spending a lot of time on social media might not be upscaling themselves in terms of skills and might not be getting the proper knowledge they would require from a social media post. So most of the posts are viral because they have certain kind of elements which are funny, or something that is much entertaining rather than teaching them something. And hence, these posts or social media interactions are growing at a larger pace, and hence they are doing more harm to the society than any good.
Sam brings up some really interesting points about the incentives and externalities, but I wonder if we're still trying to evaluate social media with old rules. It's a fundamentally new way of connecting, creating, and learning. And on the other hand, some people might feel they're not upskilling themselves. But isn't the ability to connect and share ideas in new ways a valuable skill in itself? It's about embracing the chaos and challenging the status quo.
After every interview, students receive detailed, personalized feedback. This includes strengths, weaknesses, and actionable next steps, along with performance across multiple dimensions like problem solving, time complexity, and communication. The platform also generates a SWOT analysis, helping students clearly understand where they need to improve. From interview creation to real-time analytics and personalized feedback, this platform transforms how students prepare for placements, helping institutions scale training and assessment with high personalization and visibility more than ever. So, let every student have their own interview practice companion and bring them to speed with the AI-driven placement platform with LetUsCrackIt.ai today.